Buying a home in today's real estate market is a more complex transaction behind the scenes than it is in front. To the buyer, it can be as easy as picking out the right house. However, price points change almost monthly, as do interest rates. How do you know if the home you're looking at is priced correctly? Overpaying for a home is just one of the many common mistakes made by buyers today. It's important to know what questions to ask your agent. Don't leave any unnecessary dollars on the table. Hundreds of thousands of dollars that should have ended up in your pocket. How can you make the best decision for you and your family? Who is really looking out for your best interest?
Hello, I'm Barbara, and I'd like to thank you for this opportunity to share with you the importance of having an experienced real estate professional like myself assist you when purchasing a home. Service above and beyond the rest is the key to my success. The most important part of my job as your real estate professional is communication. I know that buying and selling property can be a confusing and anxious process. I will take ample time to guide you through that process and will keep you informed and up to date every step of the way. As a lifetime Georgia resident, I am also very familiar with the local market and am able to use this knowledge to help you find the right home at the right price. Home buyers, like yourself, deserve the best real estate professional available. This individual should be a full-time agent, as there are continuous changes in the real estate market, such as price and financing terms. It's important for you to select an experienced agent to reduce the stress you may encounter. As a real estate professional, my goal is to help you discover your wants and needs and to guide you through all aspects of buying your home. My responsibility as your buyer's agent is to represent you throughout the process, from the home search to the contract to the closing. I will be present at any home inspections and available for questions or concerns that you may have. I will be in constant communication with you and the other parties to the transaction to minimize any issues which may arise and to keep the closing on schedule. After the closing, I won't forget about you. I will continue to stay in contact with you and see how I may be of service in the future. Once we begin the home buying process, there are 3 important steps we'll need to consider: qualifying, location, and closing. A common mistake made by many home buyers is to immediately start shopping for homes without talking to a lender about financing options. This is an easy process, one benefit of which is knowing that you can afford the homes you are looking at. More importantly, in this market and in this area, most sellers require a pre-approval letter from a lender at the time the contract is submitted. Sellers are more likely to accept and negotiate an offer from buyers that have already been approved for a loan. I have developed working relationships with reputable lenders offering our clients reliable financing options at competitive rates. I also welcome cash buyers. In today's market, you will simply need to provide proof of funds when submitting an offer to the seller. The next step in buying your new home is finding a location that is right for you. Keep in mind what neighborhoods you would like to be in, as well as what schools, places of worship, and shopping centers will be nearby. My website has much of this information available for you. However, you should drive around the area to get a personal feel for it. If you see an open house you'd like to tour, just let the agent or owner know that you have already committed to working with me, your realtor. Once we've found the home that's right for you, we will analyze recent sales and offerings to determine the home's value and the initial offer, keeping your best interest in mind. The offer will include price, financing terms, and any contingencies concerning the inspections or appraisals to be completed by licensed professionals. As your real estate professional, I will guide you from contract to closing by working directly with the mortgage lenders, inspectors, surveyors, real estate attorneys, and other professionals necessary to secure a smooth transaction. The final step is the closing. Once the contract has been ratified by all the parties, my role includes making sure all the details for the closing are completed. There are numerous legal documents and reports that are required by law to be completed accurately before transferring ownership of a property to you. I will also walk with you through the home just before closing to ensure all is in order. As your real estate professional, helping you buy a new home becomes my #1 priority. By working together, I am confident that we'll find the location you desire at a price that fits your needs. My confidence is based on the fact that the majority of my business comes from referrals of my past clients. If you are looking for a house to call home or looking to add or begin your real estate investment portfolio, I know my team represents the best this area has to offer. Again, I'm Barbara, and I look forward to adding you as a satisfied client. Thank you.